Hey guys, I'm back in the shop working on the four-wheeler. I want to say thank you for all the likes and the comments and the love I've been getting from everyone on this project. It's amazing. Most of my videos only get like 18, 20 views. This one, last I checked, was at like 50 in a day. So thank you. You know, smash that like, hit that subscribe if you like what you see. I'm going to keep putting out more on it. So what I'm actually doing right now is I got my heater going, trying to get it warm enough so I can get a little bit of paint on the bare metal, because this is already starting to rust. I've cleaned it up a little bit, but I got to do some sanding on that. Say hi, Louise.
$3.
I'm terrified of heights. Look at you go.
What the heck am I doing with my life?
Hey! All right, one last wipe and then we'll paint. It is so hard to paint and aim a camera at the same time. I should have rethought this. Making it look pretty like it did before. Oh yeah! Check it out, I got a new motorcycle. Very unique, it's got 4 wheels. Cold out here. In that tarp though, oh boy, with that furnace going, I bet that's pretty toasty. The paint's been drying for a couple days, should be dry. Little miss over there is trying her ninja skills with throwing stars. And I'm ready to do some assembly, some more final assembly, and get that motor put in there. Getting a little warm, I gotta move the front end over. I love this oil burner I made, and you know, that's something you might be interested in how I did that. Go check it out. It's an old wood stove that now burns waste oil, 2 gallons at a time. Which that 2 gallons will last me several hours out here, which is perfect because, you know, one job I'll fill the tank up once or twice. I want to get in before 6:30, 7 o'clock tonight. I got to be up early in the AM. Little Miss has a wrestling tournament, so I gotta get out of work early, so I'm gonna try to get into work early. was toying around with how to make this look good because it had this hole here for where the oil can was, and I don't have the oil can anymore. So I took this old gas cap, used the threads on one side to hold it, and I got a screw on the other side. That way I didn't have to damage this piece. This is still a good, usable Polaris part. No modifications done to it. Only modification is to this busted gas cap, and you can turn it a little bit, but I mean, I don't care. It's in there solid. It ain't going nowhere. Yay! So I need to find a way to mount that solid now that there's no oil tank. Almost every video I watched about this said you couldn't use this original four-wheeler throttle. You had to cut this off, is what they all said. They said put solder on it and cut it off so you could use that throttle. Well, I eventually want to upgrade to a Mikuni carburetor. So instead of doing that, I found a much better way. If you can see this, I drilled that hole out. Just big enough for that to go through. There you go. I kept the end on it so I can still use the Mikuni carburetor. Kept the threaded part so again I can still use the Mikuni carburetor, and then that goes all the way up. Now as far as the governor goes, I don't know what I'm going to do with that. That's going to be fun to try to... I'm thinking about just making this arm a hair longer so I don't get rid of the governor, but so I have a little bit more RPM. So I think I'm going to get a coat hanger and do that. So here's the side to side. This is the original one. This is the one I just made out of coat hanger. And if you look, there's just an ever so slight difference in the end. My theory is, if this pulling back is what governs the engine, and I make that a hair longer, what I did is I used up the slop that it has from the carburetor, because there's always a little bit of slop on that. By going a hair longer, that amount is the exact amount to eliminate all slop. So it'll be throttle response right there. So hopefully it works and the motor doesn't just take off, but I don't know, I think it will. Find out.
He's like the best. Oh, he's coming after me. Please don't run me off. Whoa! He dips. He sips. And go! Woo! He's coming! Down and around. Oh.
There you go. Alright guys, that's it for today's episode. We got the four-wheeler up and running, got it put together. There's still more to come on it. I got to get the four-wheel drive hooked up. I eventually want to get the carburetor done up. We got to get a charging system. There's still a lot to do on it, so make sure you hit that subscribe if you want more. If you want to see more videos about that. Also, if you want to find out more about this thing, I got another video coming out soon. So hit that like, hit that subscribe. Thanks for watching. I love you. Bye.